This video is for educational purposes only. Brady Industries is not suggesting or recommending any specific battery manufacturer or equipment manufacturer during this presentation. Lead-acid batteries were first invented in 1859 and are the oldest rechargeable battery in existence. For the most part, they are inexpensive and simple to manufacture. When maintained correctly, they are highly durable and provide long-lasting, dependable service. So why do I need to water my batteries? As lead-acid batteries are recharged and electricity flows through the water, it is converted into original gases of hydrogen and oxygen. Gassing creates water loss and is the direct reason you need to replenish the water in your batteries from time to time. Lead-acid battery maintenance is simple. First, we start with using distilled water only. Using ordinary tap water or softened water is bad for your lead-acid batteries, as the minerals and other impurities found in these types of water can react with the electrolytes inside the battery and minimize performance and increase sediment buildup on the lead plates. Secondly, we water only after a full charge cycle. As lead-acid batteries charge, the solution mixture inside the batteries expands. If you water the batteries, then plug your machine in, you increase the likelihood of what the industry refers to as boiling over. Third and last, water every payday. This is simply a suggestion to follow. Facilities that use equipment multiple times a day on multiple shifts may need to move to weekly watering intervals. Before watering lead-acid batteries, please ensure you are wearing the appropriate PPE. When watering your lead-acid batteries, all caps or plates must be removed in order to ensure consistency of the watering process. There are many ways to water your lead-acid batteries on the market. For simplicity, we suggest using a standard funnel to prevent overwatering or splashing. Each open cell on the battery must receive its own water. The goal of watering batteries is to ensure that the lead plates are always covered with solution. When watering, do not fill the batteries to the top of the cells, pictured here with the red arrow, as this can cause boiling over. And do fill the batteries up to the bottom of the vent cap, pictured with the green arrow. To avoid spillage of the battery acid, please ensure that the covers, caps, etc. are secured prior to use. Special note, if your machine has missed a few watering cycles and the plates have become exposed, add just enough water to cover the plates, then charge the batteries. Once fully charged, add water to the appropriate level indicated by the green arrow. How to charge your lead-acid batteries and what to avoid. Undercharging occurs when the battery is not allowed to return to a full charge after it has been used, which leads to sulfation, which can permanently damage lead-acid batteries. Tip: fully charge the battery after every use. Example: an operator uses a 20-inch auto scrubber for 45 minutes on Monday, 30 minutes on Tuesday, and 15 minutes on Wednesday, and does not charge the machine at all. Overcharging can cause corrosion of battery plates, can cause increased water consumption inside the batteries, can lead to high temperature conditions, which can lead to permanent damage. Keep charge cycles to a maximum of 1 per day and do not charge during short periods of downtime. Also, if the machine is going to be stored for a month or more, fully charge it and then periodically charge it during storage. Here's an example of an operator on one shift. Operator uses the machine, plugs the machine into charge, and goes on a 10-minute break. Operator then uses the machine, plugs the machine into charge, and goes on an hour lunch break. Finally, operator uses machine, plugs the machine into charge, and goes on a 10-minute break. This will permanently damage batteries.